All right, here we go. Question number 7 from our Calculus 1, homework number 2 in WebAssign. They want us to explain why the function is discontinuous at the given number a. Why is this function discontinuous at 0? Well, it is not because it is not defined, because when x is 0, it is defined to be 0. So this option down here, f of 0 is undefined, cannot be correct. So all of the other answer choices have to do with the limits. And so let's go look at the graph and see if we can determine what the limit says. Here we go. And I've got my graph sketched in Desmos. And if you look over here, you can see how to input a piecewise function where you restrict the domain for each piece. Looking at our function, we can see that the limit from the left and the limit from the right approach the same height. And we can see that better if we zoom in. You can see that those are both approaching a height of 1. So the limit exists, and it is 1. But notice that is not what the function value is. So this function is not continuous at 0 because the value of the limit is not the same as the function value. So that would be option 1. F of 0 is 0, and the limit of the function, it is finite, right? It was 1, but they're not equal. They both exist, they're just not equal. And so what does this graph look like? Well, we've already sketched it in Desmos, and so we can tell that this graph is going to be what we need. Right here, we've got our cosine wave, and then over here, we've got our inverted parabola. There's our function value defined at the origin. None of these other graphs look anywhere close to what we saw in Desmos, okay? So we're going to click Submit, verify that we got those answers correct. And that's going to do it for this problem. So if you have any questions or comments about anything covered in this video, please feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.